Welcome back to Android tutorials, and we are continuing our image to text scanner app. This is the third part of our image to text scanner app, and in this video we are going to design the dashboard for our application. Before this, we had also created the wallpaper app in Android Studio and converted website to an Android app. You can see that playlist by the clicking on I button and also in the description. So let's get started with today's third part, image to text scanner app dashboard design. So first we are going to apply the scroll view so we can scroll our design through. So writing scroll view and give its width to match parent and height also match parent, and then start that scroll view. And as scroll view need only one layout, so we are going to design our complete layout in linear layout. So linear layout, and width will be match parent and height will be wrap content, and give its orientation to be vertical, and then start this linear layout. Now in this linear layout we are going to add three card views. So I will tell you which three layout card view are. So first, write card view, give match parent as a width and a height as 225 dp, or you can write 255 dp, and then give its corner radius. So the corner radius of our card view will be 5 dp. Then its card background color will be purple 700. Then we are going to give some margin and padding. So margin will be 5 dp, and also padding. So padding also 5 dp, and then give layout gravity. So layout gravity will be center. Then close this layout, this card view, and copy this card view 3 times. So I am waiting create or copy this layout 3 times. So Ctrl C to copy and paste it twice. So here we had copied our 3 card view. You can see that this is our card views. Now in first card view we are going to write our promotional content, means to text view, or we can use the advertisement once our application is approved by ad networks. So currently we are adding the promotional content. So write to text view. So text view, and give its text width to match parent and height to wrap content, and then give text size. So text size will be 36 sp. Then give text. So text will be image to text scanner app. So text will be image to text scanner app. So here we had written image to text scanner, and then it's give its gravity to be center, and add the layout margin to center. So layout margin gravity, so layout gravity will be center. So we will find our complete code in center. So scanner, so here close this layout to see the preview, and now add font family. So font family is this. I am using, and you can use anything as you want. And so let me refresh my design. So here is our design. Now copy this complete code and paste it again. So this is our card view, so we will not get the code by adding twice text view. So we are going to use linear layout. So linear layout, width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, layout gravity will be center, and then give its orientation, which will be vertical, and then close this code and remove this closing linear layout from here and paste it below the ending of our card view. So we will find our design. Okay, so now here change that text image to text scanner to your name. So I am using here Android tutorials, and change its size to 24 sp, which will look good. So here we have decreased the text size of our main heading. So instead of that, change the size in the credit section, so 24 sp. So you can see that now our design is completed, but so our design is completed. Now come to the second card view, and here we are going to add the text view and two card view with images. To select the image from gallery and camera part, so come to that card view and give linear layout, width will be match parent always, height will be match parent, not match parent, yes, match parent, and give its orientation to be vertical, and close this, and in this again write two linear layout. So linear layout, width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, and orientation vertical, and then close this layout and duplicate this code, and then give the layout gravity to center, and just add one text view here. So text view, width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, and give text to select image from. So here will be the small heading, give text size and apply all the things that you want. So here I am using 24 sp. So give its gravity, so gravity is center, then apply text style is bold, and apply font family as you want. So here I am using this font family, and then we are completed with that text view, and if you want then add text color to be white, so it's affecting some changes. So we are going to add it in our promotional content also. So text color will be white, and same here, text color will be white. So here we had completed this first card, and now again come in second part, second card view, and here we have to complete our text view, and come in the second linear layout. So first align the code by pressing Ctrl Alt Enter, and then in this layout we are going to change its orientation to be horizontal, and add two card view. So card view width will be 0 dp, height will be 225, or match parent. So we write wrap content only, and then add the radius and all that stuff. So card radius, background color will be purple 500, and change the purple 500 here also. So you can see that color code, that is 6200AA. And then again come in our linear layout, we are going to apply card corner radius. So card corner radius will be 5 dp, and then add elevation if you want. So 3 dp will be okay, and then set layout gravity to be center, and then close that card view, and then add linear layout. Width will be match parent, height also match parent, and give it, so change here height from wrap content to 225 dp, and then here orientation will be vertical, and add gravity, not layout gravity but just gravity. So here is gravity, and that gravity will be center, and then start this linear layout, and here add one image view and one text view. So width will be match parent, not match parent, but let's assign some height. So I am using 250 dp, and height also 150 dp. Then assign source. So source of our image will be, image means gallery. So here add some background, color will be 500, and you can see that preview of image is not currently showing, so I will try to have that, and then add text view. So text view will be, width will be match parent, and height will be wrap content, and give text to be gallery, and then add text style. Text style will be bold, give font family, text color, and text alignment will be center, and then close this. So here we had completed first card view. So to see the preview we have to duplicate this same card. So now press Ctrl A and Ctrl Alt L to see the complete code. And here we had not given the weight, so give weight to be 1. So you can see that our gallery preview show up, Now in second card we have to give weight, so adding weight to be 1. So you can see that now both code is aligned perfectly. So let's change this image view size to 250 dp and height also 250 dp. So it's become too large, so change it to 225 dp. Again it's become big, so 175 dp. Give it size and adjust this size as per your need. So 175 dp is perfect. Now change this text and make that text some big. So I am using text size to be 24 sp. So this will be okay. So now change this, add this card view again. So copy the full card view and instead of this rough card view we have to replace that card view with this, and then you will find the design here. So click on that image and give the camera view. So camera will be our second drawable. So camera, and instead of this gallery we have to write camera. So you can see that I had updated this. Now coming to our third card view, so this will be not much more larger, so give it to be wrap content and assign one text view only. So text view will be, width will be match parent, height will be wrap content, and text will be share this scanner, and then give text size to be 24 sp. Text color will be, or text alignment will be center. Text color will be white. Text style will be bold. Text all caps will be true, or we had already done it, so no need to implement that. Now write font family to this, and then here we completed our third card view, but change its color from purple 700 to purple 200. So here we had completed our design part. So you can see that this is our design of our three card view. In first we had added image to text scanner app and some headlines, and then we had created this select image from, and you will know how this image source came. So let me show you how to implement that. So click on your drawable folder, right click on it, you will find a dialog like this, then click new, come in vector assets, and in vector assets you have to click on this clip art and then give image. So you will find the similar images to your content that you had written here. So due to low internet connectivity I am not showing this faster. So here is our image. So when you click on any of this, then press OK, then select the font size as per your need. So here I had used 36 sp and give it some name, random name, and choose the color that you want. So you can use any of this color which is unlimited. So you can see that our color is appeared. If you want to customize it by yourself, then you can do that, and then right click on it, and then when you press on that clip art you will find the dialog like this. So here I am had shown you about camera. So by this way you have to add the image to your project and then cast it like this. So this is our dashboard design, but when we get an approval from the ads, then we are changing this promotional content to that ad and adding this scanner to ad, so we will get the maximum revenue. So this was our dashboard design. In next part I am going to show you how to check the internet connection, or we can start our navigation rover. So let's see what first we are starting. So if you enjoying our content, then please make sure you like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Android Tutorials to watch complete series, and don't forget to watch our wallpaper app in Android Studio series and second series of convert website into an Android application. So thanks for watching Android Tutorials.